pretty expensive little makeup brush case. Set, I mean. There. I want to get this end real good. I took the end and kind of point it towards the ear again. Yeah, I feel like that really did good. So I would give a thumbs up on this product. This is Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof. Still not particularly crazy about this Total Tease from CoverGirl. I found another one that I was returning, and it was also waterproof. And I think it's because, now see how this does have the little prickle comb-like? That is good to comb through because it separates these out a little more. Now I'm adding product on product from two different kinds, but the comb does separate better. See, I don't feel like it is, though. I'm not crazy about this, one. And I know it's supposed to be for effect and, you know, it's supposed to be real sexy and all that kind of stuff. I'm not stupid. I know what they're implying by it, but I guess you can use this little end, this little tiny end. I don't know if y'all can see. Could get real deep back in there at the lashes. And for that, it's useful. But other than that, I'm not feeling like I'm in love with this in any way. Especially the formula. I just don't feel... I'm going to give it one more chance because I've opened it a few times now. And when you do that, like I said, let me wipe off this little comb. When you do that, I always do this too. Make sure you get it all off. There. I got it. But I don't know. I don't feel like, I don't know what it is. I don't really like it. And I'm going to add a couple little pieces in there that came up, and I will need to fix them. So, there's my end look. There. So what do y'all think? Do you like it? I like it. What was that? Sigma All Over Blend in E37. That's great for blending out the crease really well. If y'all saw that. That was great. I was impressed with myself. Alright, well that's it. That's all I needed to show to you today. I wonder if I ran over. Oh boy, did I. So now we have two. So now what do I do? I don't know. I could line today, but I don't think I will. And also, I had to take off some of my gold chains. A couple of you have asked me where I got them. I got them from Ross Simons. That is this Lumachina chain that a couple of you have said that's such a pretty chain. It is. The one that had the 3-on-1 tangles like crazy, so I had to take it off. Even though my husband gave it to me, it's a gift. It just tangles so bad. But anyway, these are Henry Bendel earrings. They change over their stock so much that I doubt you can find this. It's just a plain bar, and it's got their little Henry Bendel little screw. You know how they always have these little screws, little round screws, or what do you, not, it's not a grommet really, on like all points of their handbags and jewelry. So there's that, and then there's some kind of imprint right there on the bottom that you can barely see. This is that little cross I showed y'all that I got on Amazon. I think I told y'all about that already. And then this little cross I've had for years. I couldn't even tell you where I got it. And then this one, the little kind of choker style, this I got from a little boutique that I've talked to you guys about a couple of times. And it is called Bloom Organics, but I don't know where she got it. So, sorry. I don't know where some of the things I wear are that y'all ask about. Please forgive me. And oh, I also used, if y'all can tell I'm a little highlighted today, here, down the nose, on the tip end, on the Cupid's bow, and here. And I did put it a little bit on either side of the top of my cheek. That is the Clinique, I think it's called Hefty Highlight Stick. And it's got a pink underglow to it, and I'm still not sure I'm sold on using a highlight at all. To me, highlight makes you look like you've been sweaty or greasy, which the whole reason that you normally want matte makeup is because you don't want to look that way. So I think it's so funny that we've gotten into that. Here. Anyway, one of the things that I told you guys that I was going to return was this deep brown Maybelline Brow Precise, and it has on one end a very tiny nibbed liner, and on the other end it has the little brush that you can brush through the brows. And instead of taking this back, sometimes it's good to have a darker one, because see how my brows are darker and naturally, and so I try to fill them in just dark like that. But I'm wondering if this is almost like a black, but I don't think it is, so I've decided to keep it. So I'm going to show y'all with a darker one how, like, let's just say if you lost the receipt, or I don't know, you don't want to go to the trouble, or you're nowhere near where you could take it back. You can still use the product, but what you can do is, like on this one, I will be making very tiny little flicks and will still use it. So I'm going to hold on to this and just show you a different technique you can use and keep the product, and that way you don't have to take it back. I had told y'all I've been using these two products for a while now, and while I do like the L'Oreal Age Perfect Eye Renewal, I like the packaging. I like the effect that it helps make the pooches from the early morning go away. Nothing really gets rid of fine lines like they say that it does. It probably helps a little bit, so I do like this. And it's much cheaper and easier to get, because I can get at the grocery store than my Chanel. This, I don't know if y'all remember the other day, and I'm trying to remember if I used any other product, but on my next Get Ready With Me, I'm going to use this exclusively and see if it does it again. But this is the Hydrogenius for dry skin, and I told a number of you I think this is a really great product. It's a daily moisturizer, and I used it under my makeup, and then I rubbed real hard for some reason right here. Not super hard. Oh, I was blending out the edges. You know how sometimes I'll blend out the edges using the, I always call it the fatty of my hand, like that. And it just makes it a very blended look instead of a sharp line look. And make sure you remember to get it back off your hands, or you'll be walking around and people go, why she got brown on her hands? That looks weird. But anyway, but when I did, I had little, like, rolled up beads of stuff. Like, I don't know, almost like a gel, like an elastic gel. Made me wonder how this works. Made me wonder if it was the product. So I am going to do that again. I'm going to use this underneath my base, my Chanel base, which y'all know I always use. So it's a good standard to go by. And then once I do my eye makeup, I'm going to do just what I did and see if that happens again. If it does, then maybe one of the ways this works and makes you look all moisturized is because it puts a sheet of something over that when you rub it, it's all rubbery. I hope that's not the case, because I really have liked this product a lot. So, anyway, that's everything. I love you guys. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Comment below what you would like to see the most. And I am uploading another old makeup that I found that I love, and I don't know why I stopped using. Just because there's so much of it, and I need to kind of clean it up. There's still a stack right here that we're going to keep using every day. I mean, I've got a Chanel palette right here. And, oh, that's not it. There is one. And I rarely use it. And it's a wonderful Chanel palette. It looks like this. I think it's in here. What you want to bet it's in here, y'all. Is it? I don't see it. There's Clé de Peau in there. A face palette. This is my face powder, y'all. I know, it's a dirty sponge, but I like it. I don't want it to get clean. You know? And this is like the best, but it did break. But I love powdering my nose with this. And right here on either side of the nose, just doing one streak down, and then kind of putting it out. I'll tell you why, it just mattifies my skin so much. And people always are like, what did you just do? Because you look different. Like when I'll come out of the bathroom or something, and I've done it at a restaurant, and I've had more than one occasion where someone will say, something's different. Did you just touch up your makeup? Your face looks perfect. And it's because this is great stuff, but I can't find my color. I'm so upset. So I got to take it to Chanel counter and let them help me find the color. Sorry, y'all, something in my eye. Okay, well, I'm just running on at the mouth now. Do y'all like the way my lashes look? Can you see them through the glasses? Anyway, I am liking this. So that's all. I love you guys. I will talk to you again in my next video, and I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Okay. Ow! Oh my gosh, I almost fell over on the floor. My poor little feet. Love you. Bye.